A customer with a 2015 Chevy Sonic needed a key made. I'm about to get started with making the key. I'm actually cutting the key right now. I'll be back with a part 2 once I get it programmed. I ran into a little problem, got the key cut, and customer key won't turn. So I'm going to have to take this ignition apart and figure out what's wrong. But I did cut the key right. He already had one, I just copied it. He said he was doing this before. So I'm gonna take this ignition apart and see what's going on in there. All right, so just finished, got everything back together. I had to take the ignition lock cylinder out, clean it, as y'all seen in the video, and got it programmed. All right, another successful job. 2015 Chevy Sonic. Peace.